Introduce highlight features and quick overview of ARONG useful electric welding machine. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features are included. Adopt advanced single-tube Igbt inverter technology, compact structure, and easy to carry. Support current adjustment from 20 to 250 amp to meet different welding requirements. With advanced Igbt technology and compact structure, the inverter efficiency is as high as 90%, which saves more power than traditional welding machines. VRD function and PWM control technology. Stable and safe, the output voltage is low when there is no load, which can prevent electric shock. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.